people experience night terrors and struggle with how to get rid of nightmares. This relaxation exercise uses guided imagery and visualization to help return your mind to a peaceful, restful state, free of fear after experiencing a nightmare. Let's begin the relaxation exercise. Perhaps you have just had a nightmare, or maybe you are getting ready to sleep and want to fill your mind with peaceful images. Or perhaps you have woken up in the night and want to get back to sleep. Maybe you just want to promote positive mental images to help you relax. Whatever the case may be, this relaxation to get rid of nightmares can help to create a peaceful mental state. Positive images can help to get rid of nightmares. This guided imagery will help get rid of nightmares and create a positive place in your mind. Positive visualization can create this place. Imagine a place that is perfectly safe and very comfortable. Imagine what this place would be like. Create an image in your mind of all the details of a safe, peaceful place. With this image in mind, begin to relax your body. Fear creates tension, and to get rid of nightmares, it is important to decrease this tension. Start by noticing where the tension is in your body. Pay close attention to your shoulders, neck, back, hands, and jaws. These are areas where tension tends to build up. Once you have located the tension in your body, choose one area to relax first. Focus your attention on this area and consciously allow the muscles to relax and soften, becoming loose. Breathe, imagining that your breath brings relaxation to this area. Feel the tension leave as you breathe out. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. Keep breathing, letting your breaths be slow and regular. Notice that the area you are focusing on is more relaxed than it was before. See how you have the ability to relax your muscles. Feel your muscles relaxing further. Notice your jaws relaxing, becoming loose. Your mouth resting comfortably with your teeth slightly apart. Feel your neck and shoulders relaxing, and your shoulders getting lower as the muscles give up their hold. Allow your hands to relax, resting, open, loose, relaxed. Feel your back relax. All the muscles become soft and and loose. To get rid of nightmares, let's create a positive image to focus on. Imagine that you are at a luxurious resort where you're completely safe and cared for. Your room is spacious, sunny, and comfortable. In this place, you have no worries. There is nothing you need to do. You're here just to relax and take time for yourself. The room you are staying in is very luxurious. You have a large space with everything you need. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room. Picture being in a large room that is just for relaxation and enjoyment. This room is your own private escape. Here is a warm pool, a soft, comfortable lounge chair, plants, and large windows. The sun streams through the windows, making the pool sparkle. Take in this scene, imagining this lovely place. Though this room is indoors, the plants and pool create an almost outdoors feel. Through the windows, you can see a beautiful view. Imagine where your resort is located. What do you see outside? Your resort can be anywhere you like, by the ocean, in the mountains, on a golf course, an oasis in the desert. Your resort can be anywhere you like. Imagine the picturesque view you would see out the windows. The room is warm, with a soft breeze created by silent fans. Imagine yourself here, in this safe, luxurious, beautiful place. You may see yourself walking toward the pool or sitting in the lounge chair. Here, you can do whatever you wish. I'll pause for 1 minute. For the next minute, imagine the relaxing things you can do here and create a picture in your mind of you relaxing in this peaceful place. Now, imagine resting on the lounge chair. Feel the sun shining down as you become warm relaxed. The chair is very soft, and as you recline, laying back and closing your eyes, you feel so at peace. You are so comfortable here. Feel yourself sinking into the lounge chair, sinking deeper into relaxation. Notice the peaceful thoughts that are filling your mind. See that by focusing on these thoughts, they become stronger, filling your consciousness with peace. The peaceful thoughts are very clear, increasing in clarity as you focus. All other thoughts and concerns are far away right now. As you sleep, your mind can remain in this positive place. Feel yourself drifting off to sleep, filled with peaceful, pleasant thoughts. Beautiful, serene dreams occupy your consciousness. Calm, peace, relaxed. Thoughts that enter your awareness can pass lazily through your mind, like clouds drifting by. You don't need to focus especially on any of them. You are so calm. Allow your thoughts to pass without dwelling on them. You can get rid of nightmares by allowing the negative images and thoughts to leave your mind, as they are replaced by images of the peaceful resort in your imagination. Turn your attention again to the pool and lounge chair you imagined. See this peaceful place just for you. Only pleasant thoughts remain here. This place is a retreat from all stresses and worries. Anytime worried thoughts arise, focus again on the resort, a luxurious, safe place where you can get away from the life stresses, get rid of nightmares, and just relax. See all the details of this place. You can picture yourself enjoying the pool and sunroom, or having a warm bath in a jacuzzi tub. Perhaps you imagine getting into a large, soft, comfortable bed and having a nap. Your suite has a variety of things for you to enjoy and is a place just for you where you can relax. Relax here, resting, enjoying this holiday. Fill your mind with happiness and peace. Now, if you want to, you can drift off to sleep, ever so slowly, drifting down into a pleasant, calm land of dreams, slipping deeper and deeper. I'll count now from 1 to 5. When you reach 5, you will be fully relaxed and asleep. 1. Becoming heavier, sleepy, and relaxed. 2. Safe and warm, comfortably floating, drifting